Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Madi Farid. My student ID number is 0321230013. I'm from the Department of Indonesian Language and Literature Education. I will deliver the material on the analytic and holistic rubric differences. I hope you are all doing well today. Today we are going to learn something exciting and useful. So let's get ready, stay focused, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Let's make the most of our time together. Okay. The next, understanding rubrics. Rubric is a guide for teachers to assess student assessment or work consistently and fairly. Aside from being an assessment tool, the rubric can also be a feedback for student about the quality of student or student work assessment. In the rubric, there are several criteria used to assess the performance of student, both individually and in groups, and provide a clearer picture of the level of assessment. Okay, the next, the type of rubric. Types of rubric Types of rubrics can be divided into two, namely analytic rubrics and holistic rubrics. Analytical rubrics are rubrics commonly used for student performance appraisal. This rubric is used to carry out assessment of tasks that can be divided into domains or criteria in which each criterion can be individual. Each criterion can be given the assessment weight in accordance with its important in achieving the learning outcomes of the acts. The next, holistic rubrics are used if there is difficulty or does not allow the division of an assessment of a text into a separate criteria. This can occur because of the interrelated criteria and overlapping with one another, such as complex creative text where the process can be approached in a variety of ways by student and test text cannot or are difficult to divide into component or assessment criteria. For this reason, a holistic assessment of student performance was made. In the holistic grade rubric, the assessment is articulated into descriptive statement. Conclusion, rubric is a guide for teacher to assess student assessment or work consistently and fairly. Types of rubric can be divided into two, namely analytic rubric and holistic rubric. Rubric is a guide for teacher to assess student assessment or work consistently and fairly. Holistic rubrics and use if there is difficulty or does not allow the division of an assessment of a text into a separate criteria. Panas. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Be useful. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you for your attention and participation. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.